Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. Myself Ashwin and I work as a technical consultant at BISP Solutions. BISP Solutions is a tech company and provide technological solutions across the world. Now, in this video, this is our third video in this integration series. I am going to show you how employee information is fetched. Now see here, let me show you. Many times it is required that we need to fetch the data from the NetSuite record and show it in the either in the Excel or the Python, right? So for this purpose, we use integration logic. Suppose let's take two scenarios. Manager wants to see how many employees working in company, or the manager wants to see employees of specific department. So this can be done with NetSuite RESTlet. So there are some arrangements that we need to do. There are some configurations. Python should be installed on your system. All the necessary libraries should be installed on your system, and then the RESTlet links. Now, why do we need this? See, suppose if a manager wants to take only information or download information from the NetSuite, he is not working on NetSuite, he is not concerned with other activities. So why should we provide him credentials just to fetch the information? Just for fetching the information, giving them credentials, then he will log in and then he will search the saved search. It is better to provide him an Excel sheet with a button, and that Excel sheet is integrated with NetSuite. So when he will hit this button, immediately the information will be fetched. Let me show you with an example. Here you need two developers. One is Python developer, another is NetSuite developer. RESTlet link creation is the task of NetSuite developer. Python link creation is the task of Python developer. Okay, now let's see some practical. Suppose manager wants to see, here is manager wants to see the information of employees which are currently working on company. Now see here. Now instead of giving credentials to manager, then he will log in and then he will come on this page. It's very difficult for him. Instead, we can provide him an Excel sheet. We will say that yes, you can open this Excel sheet, hit this button like this, and then immediately a Python command runs. That Python command will fetch the data from the NetSuite, and that NetSuite data will be populated into the Excel sheet through Python. See here, 3 employees, Prince, Ram and Shreya, and here you can see Prince, Ram and Shreya. So isn't it so easy for a person who is from non-technical background? So for non-technical persons and those who want only information, that's it, nothing else. They are not concerned with the development or the programming or the processing or the functionality, nothing. They just need information. So it is better to provide them such type of integrated Excel sheet. Now, how it is done, I will show you. See here. First of all, we have created a saved search. Now let me show you this saved search also. Now see here. Here we see date created. Now we have shown the employees which have joined company after 1st of August till today. So here we have put the information, and then we can, here we have extracted the data with the help of saved search. Now this saved search is taken by this NetSuite. This saved search is fetched in the scripting. See here. Here is the scripting. Here is the scripting part, RESTlet part. And then you can see here, this saved search is extracted through here. Here is the information fetched: employee, email, and job title. Employee, email, and job title. Okay. We are sending only 3 informations: employee, email, and job title. Here is the link, RESTlet link. You can see. Here is a RESTlet link which is used by Python. And here I will show you the Python task also. Python, this is the Python page. This Python will take the link from the NetSuite. That means, first of all, the RESTlet is developed by a NetSuite developer. He will hand over that link to the Python developer. This is a Python file. This link is used by the Python developer. Token ID, token consumer key, all are developed and handed over to the Python developer. After that, here tuple. See, you can see here. Here is the general code. You don't need to do anything. This is the task of Python developer. He will attach all the code. He will make all the necessary changes in the code, and then here you can see libraries. Open PyXL. Whenever you work on Python, you have to install the libraries. So this is Open PyXL. Then Excel Wing. This library is used to write the Excel sheet and put it into the desired path. Right. After that, this Python file is called in CMD. This Python file will be called in the CMD command prompt, and that command prompt will show the information directly here in this Excel sheet. So this is how it is done. First of all, a Python script is written, then a RESTlet is developed, then the link of that RESTlet is given to the Python developer. That Python developer will make changes. If I show you this Python development, here a little bit visual basic code is also used here. Here we have written the python.exe file, exe path, and this is a script name, that is the file name. And then all in all, when this button will hit, command prompt will be invoked. It will run that command of Python. Python will go and fetch the data from the NetSuite, and that NetSuite data will be again changed into the JSON part, and then one by one it is populated into the Excel sheet. So this is almost demanded in every company, every project, wherever you work on NetSuite, because there are so many persons, those who need information, but they are not concerned with other activities. For example, an accountant. If an accountant says that, give me the information of purchase order created last month. Now that accountant is not concerned with everything, that if you provide them credentials, it would be a very time consuming, and it is very difficult for him because he is from non-technical background. So it is better to provide him this Excel sheet, and then we can say him that, yeah, you can hit this button and all the purchase order information you can extract. Whatever purchase order information you want, we will provide you. I have already created a video on this. I recommend you to watch that video. So in this way, this requirement is almost required in every project, every company, because there are few people, those who work on NetSuite, they need credentials, that is okay, but those who need only information, so why do we provide them credentials and ask them to work on NetSuite? It is better to provide them Excel sheet. So guys, this is most important task which is almost required. So you have to, I recommend you to please work on this, and if you have any difficulty, you can write down in the comment box, and those who are new for this channel, they can subscribe my channel for the upload latest videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching the video.